The world's most mysterious scientific mysteries. Humans have landed on the moon. Created artificial intelligence. And can see galaxies billions of light years away. Yet, there are still things on Earth itself that scientists have no clear explanation for. Today, we'll look at some of the strangest real-life mysteries that have baffled scientists to this day. The mysterious Taos Home sounds. In a small town called Taos, New Mexico. Some residents have been reporting a low, mysterious sound they constantly hear since the 1990s. The sound is like a deep, incessant hum. Strangely, some people hear it clearly, while others never hear it at all. Scientific teams and sophisticated measuring equipment have been sent to search for the source of the sound. But no definitive explanation has been found to this day. Some believe it is caused by industrial equipment or electronic waves, but the mystery remains. The mysterious ball lightning. For centuries, people have talked about a strange phenomenon known as ball lightning. It is a luminous ball that sometimes appears during thunderstorms and moves erratically before suddenly disappearing. The problem is that scientists have rarely been able to study it directly. Despite possible scientific explanations, the phenomenon remains incompletely understood to this day. The Voynich Manuscript. One of the most mysterious books in the world is the Voynich Manuscript. An ancient book filled with strange drawings and texts written in an incomprehensible language. It was discovered more than 100 years ago. Since then, linguists, scientists, and even intelligence agencies have tried to decipher it, but without any definitive success. To this day, no one knows who wrote it, what it means, or why it was written in the first place. The phenomenon of disappearing bees. In recent years, scientists have observed the mysterious disappearance of huge numbers of bees around the world. The phenomenon is known as colony collapse disorder. Sometimes thousands of bees suddenly disappear, leaving the hive behind. There are possible explanations such as pesticides, climate change, parasites. But scientists are still studying the true, complete cause of this dangerous phenomenon. Dark matter. When scientists studied the movement of galaxies, they discovered a very strange problem. Mathematical calculations showed that there is a massive, invisible mass affecting the universe. Scientists named it dark matter. However, scientists believe it makes up a huge part of the universe. The Bermuda Triangle. For decades, the name Bermuda Triangle has been associated with stories of mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. The area is located between Florida, Bermuda, Puerto Rico. Some stories about it have been amplified by the media, but the area has indeed witnessed real maritime and aerial incidents over the years. Scientists believe the cause may be related to weather, ocean currents, and human error, but the mystery continues to fascinate people to this day. The biggest question, the truth is that science doesn't mean having all the answers, but rather continuing to search. And the more humans discover something new, the more complex questions arise. And perhaps this is what makes the world such a fascinating place, because some mysteries still defy explanation, no matter how advanced technology becomes. So the question now is, which of these mysteries do you think is the most perplexing?